Pass me the milk! Pass me the milk! Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. It's
It's Sammy.
He's back.
Hey.
And we're back with another mukbang. I'm so hyped. My baby's back, y'all. I haven't done a mukbang with him in like 2 weeks or longer.
All right, longer than that.
Yeah, it's been a long time. So today we have a challenge for you guys. We have the spin the wheel challenge with a whole bunch of spicy sauce. We have king crab, lobster, sausage, corn. I have some cauliflower rice on the side. So before we get into this, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and hit the bell. Turn it gray for my bae.
You dig, May?
So let's go ahead and get a blessing in.
Bismillah wa ala barakatullah.
Yeah, we're gonna eat a little bit and then we're gonna jump right into the challenge.
I know my stilo. I get down.
Can I get that sauce? Get it down, Charles. I know y'all probably like, we can't see it, we can't see it. So I'm gonna put it like right here. Can you grab a lobster? I think I'm about to tumble this whole little thing.
Oh my God, I've been missing this.
Yeah, unless we're doing mukbangs, we're not eating mukbang food, really.
Cost too much. What's that, cauliflower?
Mm-hmm. Cauliflower rice.
What's up, y'all? What's going on? Y'all miss me? I've been busy at work. Me and a good friend of mine, we starting up a watch company called Imperator Watch Company, and just been kind of busy getting things set for that, trying to get investors, and thank God we've been kind of fortunate in getting some stuff done. If y'all know anybody who want to invest, I'll put our number on the bottom so they can call.
Put the business email down in the description box.
Put the business email and the business number. We got all that.
Look how. Keep going down my darn face.
I forgot how BWW sauce is good. Oh my God.
I'm gonna crack into a little bit of this king crab before we get into this video. Before we get into this challenge.
We got no lemons?
No.
See that? You see what you did, B-Loves?
I can't even put this out. Sammy made the king crab today.
Oh my God.
That's good.
How you gonna give me some spicy BWW sauce and then try to get me to do this crazy challenge?
It's not even that spicy.
So the person who eats 2 times spicy sauce on a regular basis.
So guys, the different sauces that we have today is, of course, we have the 2 times spicy sauce. We have the BLAZIN Buffalo Wild Wing sauce, which for me was one of the hottest sauces that I've ever tasted. So I definitely had to bring that out because I feel like there's a lot of hype on the 2 times spicy sauce, but it's not really that hot. It's not. To me.
It's really not. To be honest with you, it's really not.
It's very flavorful more than anything. And then I have sweet chili sauce, Redhot Sweet chili sauce. What else is over there? We have the BWW sauce. That's also going to be an option. And then we have the bomb. This sauce is the hottest sauce on the show, Hot Ones.
Y'all see my mascara, y'all? You see?
Let me read the back. I want to read the back. This one is
Dude.
Oh, girl.
This is almond milk.
Okay, this one is listed as We started with hot habanero peppers and blended them with smoky chipotle peppers, natural pepper extract to create a sauce that is lab tested at 135,600 Scoville units. Wicked beyond belief. Okay, it says warning, this sauce is extremely hot. Keep out of reach of children. Consume 1 drop at a time with extreme caution.
Me, I'm children.
So that's going to be interesting to see who gets that one first.
I ain't with it. Everybody, y'all know I'm a sucker when it comes to spicy food. I'd like to enjoy my food, even though if we're doing a challenge, I still like to enjoy it. Using hot ingredients really don't turn me on.
I love hot food. We're about to jump into this challenge. I'm gonna put the sauces up here so you guys can see them. This is the barbecue blazing hot. Of course, we have the 2-time spicy sauce. We have the bomb sauce. We have the sweet chili right here. And do we have another? Well, we have the BWW sauce. So, who wants to be first to spin?
You.
You want to rock, paper, scissors?
Nope, ladies first.
Nope.
I'm all about ladies first. Come on, man.
Well, I am a feminist, all about equality. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
That's what
Stop
I
it.
think.
Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Let's get
Finally,
it.
Sammy won something.
I know her 6 secrets.
You don't know nothing because I wasn't even going to do that one. I did it because I knew you was going to do rock. All right. And you got to give it a good spin. Which one did I get?
BWW. Come on, dog.
See? See how the cheetah never prospers. All right. I think I'm going to open. I want a piece of king crab for mine.
I think for mine, I'm going to use a lobster.
No, that's my lobster, boy. Bye.
Bro, what you talking about? Lobster's on the board. Don't matter.
No, it's not.
It's anybody.
No, it's not.
It's anybody's.
No, it's not.
It's anybody's.
All right, let's see if I can get this out of here. Ooh. All right.
Wow, BWWs.
Ooh.
It'd be my luck. I land on a bomb.
That's good.
I guess it's my turn now. A good spin, right?
Yeah, good one. Let me get it ready for you, honey.
You know what? It didn't go all the way around. I think it was meant to go right there.
No.
Nah, it landed on none.
Same, please. Boy.
It landed on none. It
What
got
about
stuck back here.
Where's your sauce on? So you can put it
That
to
over
my
there,
side.
man. I'm using the lobster for this.
You're not using the lobster,
Why not?
Sami, because it's mine.
All right.
You want to put it on a hot sausage?
I'm gonna put it on the hot sausage because I'm not messing up my king crab for this. That looked like a dookie emoji. If you can't see it. How much we got dip?
A good dip, Sammy.
What you mean a good dip? Like
Yeah, that's a good dip.
that right?
Is it hot? I haven't had that in years.
Whoa.
Is it hot?
It's hot, but let
It's
me stop.
flavorful.
Let me not talk. Let me cheat like how you cheat.
How do I cheat? By not letting the air hit my tongue?
It tastes good. It packs the heat. If I was to take a couple more dips of that, I might have quit.
All right. My turn, my turn, my turn. All right. Ready, set, and...
Two times.
2 times spicy?
All right,
I
this
can do
joint's starting to
2
get
times.
hot now.
So
Ooh!
drink your milk. I'm going to pour the 2 times
Oh
spicy
my God.
sauce on here. Ooh, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Shout out to Salt. Did we say Bismillah? Bismillah.
We definitely said this before
Okay.
we started eating.
Mm. Hmm.
What are you?
What you about to do?
I'm about to break some off.
It's a little hot.
What you doing, dog? That's beef love sauce. I mean, that's spicy.
Yeah, the 2
Two
times
times
spicy.
spicy.
It's hot.
Ain't that spicy?
It's a little hot. It's a little spicy. I'm scared now.
All right. You need a napkin, anything?
Hmm?
You need a napkin, anything?
No, I have one.
All right, y'all. Ready? Start from the top. Big money, big money, big money. Sweet chili. Yes. Ooh, this is gonna be spicy.
I realize it's gonna be nasty. Yeah, I don't think I would like that together like that.
Why would you put this up here?
Because I knew it would be nasty. Okay.
Hey, never just make stuff normal.
Nope. So I'm going to go next. All right. Wheel of Fortune.
We don't own rights to that.
What does that say? B loves? No, I'm not doing that.
What?
It says B loves. What's wrong with you? You looking with one
Oh,
eye?
yeah, say be love.
Yeah, I'm not doing. I want to do different sauces. Let's go. Let's go. I'm not gonna cheat.
Right now, I land on sweet chili again.
I got sweet chili.
Wow.
I don't want that one. Yuck. Okay.
The best thing ever.
I'm gonna
on
dip
man.
into the
I
chili.
call these jars of life.
I think that's good.
What? Sweet chili?
Mm-hmm.
We're here though.
That's actually really good. I'll dip again.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
What's wrong with my life, yo?
I actually like that.
So,
Smart.
there we go. Get out of here.
Okay.
All right, big money, big money, big money. Dun, 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 dun. All right, there, sweet chili.
Do it again. Do it again. Sweet chili is actually really good. I'm all for that.
Be love.
You got be love.
Thank you, God. I just want to thank you for saving me from another heartbreak of hot sauce on my tongue. I'm almost have some believers there.
Alrighty. I'm gonna go next. Two times spicy sauce. Let's go again. Let's go. Come on. Big money, big money, big money. None.
Ah,
I don't want to do none.
well, that means you don't eat nothing. Ready? Hopefully I get none too. Two times spicy. I don't like this shit.
Why can't you just pour it on a piece of meat?
I'm not doing that.
I haven't had the hot sauce, the bomb sauce, or the blazing sauce yet. That probably was nasty as heck. Put that on the hot sausage.
So nasty. Ever since we drunk at that one joint, I don't like that.
Okay. I'm gonna go again. Come on, is this gonna be the time that I get the bomb sauce? Is this it? Is this it? Is this it? Come on. Oh, I got hot sauce.
What's hot?
The Valentino.
Sure.
Well, it's the only regular hot sauce that we have. We're a sauce family, but not really like hot sauce family. We eat like buffalo sauce and things like that, and ranch and different stuff. So, whew, okay. Let me go for it. Because Valentino is a salsa picante sauce. It's Mexican hot sauce, extra hot. It has chili peppers in there, vinegar. It's supposed to be real hot, so we'll see.
This ain't as bad as I thought it would be. Ew, that look nasty. This says salsa
It's like
picante.
picante, I think. It is. No. It tastes very taco-ish. Like you'll put that on your tacos, like the hot.
Tastes very Spanish.
No, not Spanish, Mexican. Very taco-ish.
All right. Is it like a you quiero taco belly? Are you ready?
Mm-hmm. Well, you don't eat nothing. Nope, just had hot. Blazing. I got the blazing sauce, y'all. Let me see. I'm gonna go for the lobster.
She about to get done too, and I want you to put a lot on there too, buddy.
I'm gonna put as much as you put on yours.
You know what I'm saying? Yo, what are you doing? That's not even. Come on, guys.
Right here. Y'all see it.
I hate flies. So, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see it? Woo, girl.
It hit the back of my throat weird.
Mm-hmm. Trust me, I know.
Woo.
Yeah, that pack a punch, don't it?
Yeah, punch you right in the back of your darn throat.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
I done did every sauce on here. Blade. I'm not doing blazing again.
Woo.
I need to do that.
Huh? It's hot.
Bro, I need to do the bomb.
Yeah. At this point,
At this point,
yeah.
we did everything except for the bomb.
So we're just gonna
We
go
scissors,
ahead.
paper, rock. Who go? You want to do it at the same time?
Yeah, we can.
All right,
we can do
word.
it.
Word.
Get your piece. What you gonna eat it with?
This right here.
All right. It says one. Let me see. Oh, my nose ears.
All right, I was exaggerating, but that joint smelled like olive paste.
It does.
Yeah.
Let me see. One drop. This is the hottest sauce.
They said just one drop.
Yeah. Ooh, 2 drops.
Why you being a sucker?
Because it says take 1 drop with extreme caution. I ain't stupid.
Take 1 drop. I'm a G. Excuse me. I'm a G. I put like 4 drops.
Yeah, 2. It was 2 drops.
Definitely 4.
It was definitely. Look at it. It's just 1.
The 1 drop
And then the other one dropped on
was like a whole 2, and then the other 2 fell like, yeah, it's 4. Come on, man. I know my man.
Are you ready?
You ready?
Yep.
3, 2. I don't know about this.
Maybe it's not that bad.
Maybe.
I
say
feel
one
like
drop.
I feel like my drop is corny compared to yours. Maybe
Yeah,
I'm gonna add more.
Yeah, add some more.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh no. I'm so nervous. Because I really... Y'all see it?
Y'all see it?
All right, let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Whoa.
He fucked up.
That's not even... It don't even
Oh.
taste good. It's just hot.
Oh my God.
It's just hot.
A stock full of. It's so nasty.
Yeah, it's just hot. It's just hot, and it builds over time.
Hurry up.
It's hot. It's hot. That's hot.
Holy crap. Yo.
Oh,
What was you thinking?
I'm about to cry.
It's burning. Get off me. Yeah.
The silent alarm. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? My nose is running.
That got real quick.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Pass me the milk. Pass me the milk. Oh, I wasn't expecting that.
Why would they even make a jar?
Ooh. Listen,
It won't leave.
make sure you like this video. Comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, family. Peace out. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm crying. It's so hot. It's so hot. This bread ain't freaking working. Oh my God. It's not hot, y'all. Don't try this at home. Do not try this at home. Children, don't try this at home. You say you throwing it in the trash? Stop cursing. It's going in the trash.
Oh my God. What is in these keto bars?
I don't know what's in them.
Do not try this, bro. Is this live?
No, it's not live. I'm recording for the video.
It's like as soon as stuff goes away, the hot just comes back fighting.
You thought you was a G. You took 4 drops. 4 drops.
You keep doing shit like that. Why you keep doing stuff like that?
Cause it was good. No, I'm lying. That sauce was nasty. I'm talking about like the roulette part of it. Like that part was actually like fun to do, but that sauce was nasty. Like nasty. You okay, baby? You okay?
I had to cuddle his pillow real quick.